Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Alright, so we have two methods how we can reset this device, and let me show you all of them. So, first option, which is recommended when we have simply access to the device when the phone is responsive, as you can see, is simply through the settings. So, open up your settings, now scroll down into the bottom, find the general management, now scroll down, find the reset option, scroll down, and in here beside the resetting all settings we can also reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and reset accessibility settings. Of course, we are interested in the factory data reset, and that's our main goal. But remember that after the resetting of your device, all of your data will be lost. So, for example, having a backup is a nice option if you don't know how to create it. Also on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you all backup methods, so if you want you can look for it. Right, and now we need to scroll down and tap on factory data reset. In here you can see what things will be deleted from your device. And now scroll down. Now you need to tap on reset, and then follow the instruction on the screen, and if you do everything properly your device will be turned off, then turned on again. And next thing you need to do is to simply set up your phone. For example, resetting your device is recommended when you want to sell your phone to another person. So performing a reset is a cool thing before selling your device. Alright, and now let me show you the second method, which is called through recovery mode. And to do it we need to turn off our device. So let's hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time to launch the power menu. Now let's click on power off, and for this method we need to have the USB-C cable. Okay, USB-C cable, and we need to plug this, and we need to plug our phone into the PC or the laptop. It is required to open up the recovery mode, so plug your cable into your device, just like that. Okay, now you can see this icon that the phone is being loaded now. And now to launch the recovery mode we need to hold the power button and the volume up button until the recovery mode turns on. So let's simply hold both of these buttons. Okay, the Samsung logo appeared, we need to keep on holding. Boom, and now as you can see we are in the recovery mode. And now to move around this menu we use the volume keys. And now we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Now we need to confirm by clicking the power button. Boom. Now select restart. I don't know why it's in Spanish, but simply select the second option that's below the cancel. Confirm by clicking the power button. Now you can see on the bottom of the screen that data wipe has been completed. And now select reboot system now. Confirm by clicking the power button. And now within a few seconds the phone will be turned on automatically and ready to use. But before that you need to set it up. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.